Hello friends, today's video is on a wooden sculpture I carved a while back. It was carved from basswood, which is my preferred wood when carving large sculptures. The sculpture was made up of 4 carving blocks: the body, the head, the left arm, and the right arm, which we pinned and screwed together. We added a few simple steel components inside to strengthen the overall sculpture. I also added a small decorative component to the bottom of the sculpture. Okay, let's get into this video. The first step was to construct a body. Within the body, I installed a metal pipe. This would be used as support for the metal stand I plan to fabricate. The next step is to chisel out the basic form. I made a carving block of the head that could be inserted into the body. I began laying out how I wanted the face to look. Once I was happy with that, I began to carve. I plan to use glass eyes in this sculpture, so I'm going to have to make sure I get that correct before I get too far into the form. There's something very satisfying about carving faces, especially full-size faces. Well, at least it's very satisfying to me anyway. I then began to carve out the right arm. I needed to make a support structure, so I welded some metal bars together. Once I had the right arm roughed out, I began working on the left arm. I then began to finalizing all the details on how I wanted the sculpture to look. I then began working on how I wanted the trident to look in Poseidon's hand. I primed the head white. By doing that, it helped me visualize what the finished product was going to look like. I made a decorative component for the bottom of the body. It just kind of brings the whole composition together. Once all 4 carving blocks, the head, the body, the left arm, and the right arm, were complete, all 4 components were pinned, screwed, or glued together. I fabricated a trident out of plastic, then plated it in copper. The sculpture took me several days to complete, but I'm pretty happy with the results. I don't know if I mentioned this, but the wood I'm using is basswood. It's a good wood to carve and it holds up really well.